Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I needed a new battery for my phone, but I figured I'd get one of these ones like this. I'll show you what this one is. This one's TNTOR, and says it makes life more convenient. And I think it's, I don't know, I can't remember how much, how strong, how big it was, but let's see. So this is what it looks like here. So this is it. Let's just see if there's anything else in the box here. Yep, it comes with a little charging cable. So it looks like it'll charge from USB-C to USB, so it's kind of cool. And that's everything in the box except for the instructions. So here's some instructions for it if you need it. You can probably pause it and zoom in, and same with this side here. But let's show you what it is and show you how it works. So this is it. So it's very thin. So I got this one so it's super thin, so I can keep it in my uh, bag or something like that with me easy enough. And check it out. So it's got a little input output that is USB-C. I don't know if it's focusing on this. Well, you're gonna have to trust me on that one, I guess, but it's USB-C over here, and it's got a little button here. So it's got 3 dots that are lit up. So we're at 3 dots of power. But look at this. I could slide this off, and look at that. We have our iPhone charger. So we've got, and this one here is 5,000 milliamps. This should charge a phone a couple times maybe. And so you can just plug it right in and carry it with it, and it's nice and small. That's why I got this one here. So it's super convenient and easy to carry around, pretty inexpensive, and that's what it looks like here. Let me see if I can show you show you that little port. So you could plug it in. Well, you could either plug it in with this here. So it says input or output. So you could output. So if you have a USB-C to, a watch charger or whatever, if you needed to use it, you could use this for that. Or if you have a phone other than an iPhone, you could use it for that. But this is cool that it has it included in there. But that's it. That's what it looks like here. Very super cool and thin and 5,000 milliamps and nice and light and easy. I can just stick it in my bag and be carrying this with me everywhere. So I'm going to say this is pretty cool. This is the box here for it, TNTOR, and I'm going to say thumbs up for me for this one here. I'll let you know if for some reason it doesn't charge right or whatever, but hopefully it should. It should do fast charging like it says. And pretty cool. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.